Welcome to the Digital Container Summit. Please watch this brief tutorial on the 3 most important tabs to ensure that you have a successful event. The first tab is the People tab. This is where you can find the list of all the attendees for the event on September 3rd. To schedule your one-on-one networking session, find somebody that you find interesting, click Suggest Meeting, and choose a time that is mutually convenient for you both. Click Suggest Meeting, type a quick chat, and send off your meeting request. Once they approve your request, you can find the confirmation in the second tab off to the left, and that's here in the Schedule tab. In the Schedule tab, you can also bookmark the keynote and workshop sessions that you want to attend. And also, the most important part is to select your networking availability. Under here at the right, click Networking Availability and make sure that you turn off and the times that you will not be awake or need to take a break. If it is green, this means you're available for requests. If it is gray, this means you are not. So make sure you set this according to your sleep schedule and verify at the top here that this is the correct time zone that you're in. The last tab is the Stream tab, and this is where you will find all the keynotes and workshop sessions streaming live and on demand on the event day. We've got a chat here off to the right that just reiterates a little bit of what I've said and also has a link here to our FAQ if you get stuck. And of course, spread the love. If you've got other business partners that or friends that you think could benefit from networking at the Digital Container Summit, click this link over here and send them an invite. You can also get them 20% off. All right, enjoy your networking and see you on September 3rd at the Digital Container Summit.